In this video, I will show you how to make your Facebook account completely private. It's quite simple, just open your Facebook app. Then here click on three horizontal line at the top right corner. Here just click on settings and privacy. Now click on privacy shortcuts. Here click on review a few important privacy settings. Here you can see 4 different sections is available. We will review each of them. Click on who can see what you share. Click on this. Click on continue. Click on this one, email here. Make sure select only me. Likewise, you select only me for all of these and then click on next. Here click make sure select only me here and also friends here, then click on next. Here click on next. Click on review another topic. We will review this topic, how to keep your account secure. Click on this. Click on continue. Click on skip. Click on skip. Click on skip. Right now click on review another topic. Here we will review this topic, how people can find you on Facebook. Click on this. Click on continue. Make sure select here friends of friends. Click on next. Make sure select here only me in both phone number and email. Click on next. We will review another topic. Click on review another topic. Right now click on your data settings on Facebook. Click here. Click on continue. Click on next. Click on next. Click on review another topic. We have completed this part. Just go back one step and here you can see click on see more privacy settings. We will came down and you can see here your activity. Under your activity, who can see your future post? Click on this and select only me. Click on this and select only me. Here limit who can see past post. Click on this and click on limit past posts. Click on limit past post. Then here who can see the people pages and list you follow. Click on this and select only me. Here who can see your story. Click on this and select on here select the friends. Here we can how people find and contact you. Here make sure also click on this. Select friends of friends. Go through this list their friends and make all of them only me. Select all of them only me. By this way you can completely private your Facebook account. Hope this video help you. Till next video, God bless you.